The sun rises over Radiator Springs. Another beautiful day for a race. Mac! Wake up! We're gonna be late! Huh? What? Is the race today?
This is Kathy Copter, reporting live. The team is finally moving.
Don't worry, boss. I'll get you there. But the highway to California is never empty. Oh no! Traffic jam. We're losing time, Mac.
Take the dirt road on the right. It's a shortcut.
Whoa! This is bumpy!
There it is, the Piston Cup Stadium.
Ka-chow! Yeah, Cacharo. You can't beat me! We will see about that! He's pushing it to the limit! We did it, team! Another trophy for the team! See you next race!